My name is Mitski Cuesta. I have experience working as a data encoder, customer service representative, and checker, where I developed strong skills in data accuracy, customer interaction, and quality control. I handle data entry with attention to detail, assisted customer by providing timely support and resolving concern, and perform checking duties to ensure accuracy and compliance with company standards. This role have helped me become efficient, reliable, and detail-oriented in fast-paced work environment. I have experience using Canva to create clean and professional design for social media, marketing materials, and presentation. I am familiar with this tool and templates, allowing me to produce eye-catching visual quickly and effectively. My design work focuses on clear layout, consistent branding, and strong visual impact. I am adaptable, responsible, and always eager to learn. I handle challenges calmly, take my work seriously, and constantly look for ways to improve. I am highly skilled in communication, problem solving, and time management. Also have strong abilities in computer works like typing, presentation, email, printing, and also using Canva application, where I gain hands-on experience and constantly deliver quality work. I am reliable, efficient, proactive. I anticipate needs, handle tasks with accuracy, and adapt quickly to changing priorities. My strong communication skill and attention to detail ensure that nothing is overlooked, making a valuable and dependable support system. You should hire me because I bring a strong work ethic, adaptability, and commitment to delivering high-quality results. I learn quickly, communicate clearly, and always stay focused on helping the team or business succeed.